Ediba Otimo the finisher one platform is so. Nanka mental mad this time around. But in Sembi Chago Facebook, in Sembi Kosovo, a man something tankes and so I say Abakambia, and you're fine. And your boss after the Moshe Kain was saying, oh, is the last thing that owns you because if you are so baby. Never mind, young party for baby almost say, I may be a dear say on the tone, so one fan to a free talk, Meboa. You are saying no, say one pen one can of crabia. One a becca, manka, one a becca. I'm saying, some people on Facebook, Conesa, or more America for America, honor, maybe some business and 4B, 3B. I am that black Americans now, Mugu America, honor. And some because of Mentor Montias. Your honor saying a year be by year be, I see police in me, Aquasi Brony did in 9. I just see Unipai Conso. Unipai is a soon at Yamusa Mekoya me ya. Me ya. Me Islam save me. Aquasi Brony and address Oboa because we are tuntumute no bo am few ampa ye se omo ye kuso mo ye se oni pa no wu hwe sa mi video a mi ye we ye semfo bi na mebusa hwe oni pa tuntum we emra duru se wo oni pa tuntum wo oni pa tuntum a ubu ho ewiase se wo mu ho opie no obebu wo wiase ye say respect I reciprocal me boa. Se wo mu hu a obi no obebu ho. Ade ya koso atoso akwa makosi broni. E de tuntumanim all the time e de twitwi form. Bibusa say there are a lot of enipa e wa America. You were blacks. You were white Americans. You were Indians. You were Chinese. You were Arabs. Adentina akosi broni sa akosi broni no what chusu di ni ansi onipa tuntuzu se onipa tuntumu nko na obeku omo wiase omo fa nko Chinese for so omo fa nko Indians so mubusa question so omo fa nko Arabs so but enipa omo do mania omo target omo no eye blacks. The question is, why is it like that? Argentina onipa tuntumu kwa ana wa America all the time now obate say akwasi broni cops no a police for no akum onipa bia no ye black Argentina mentiase Argentina broni no wodi enya si onipa tuntumu kwa so say onipa tuntumu kwa na si target om ne ku omo abra ye wo Chinese ye wo Indians Yawa Arabs, ewo oman ni mu but tuntumu nko na omu ko omu. Obusa ho sasa question no. Ipache o. Ene se wo musa ho sasa question na, busa ho se yawa all kind of nipa wa America. But oni pa tuntumu nko na akwasi broni asojafo no, a police fo no, oman amani so mekum aya. The question is why? Why is it like that said? Eye tuntumu ko na omo do omo nasi so omo ku omo. What was that question? That question no. Eye question bi I say we need answers. Ye here anu ye. Say adentina ye woni pa bebre wa America. Ye were Indians. Ye were Chinese. Ye were Arabs. Omo ku omo bia o. O party say white police ni akum obia na ye black arentia mentiase matrase mentiase adentia omo do omo na si blacks na so adentia omo so omo shi blacks na se hwe na nsan ebeto dwa se eye kodiawo yale ya abeto abesin samansan kom ye fe no se coronavirus yo se covid-19 so hwan meti se ye se ekum blacks na spa Our America, metiye. You see, kum blacks no. Argentina kum blacks no more. What was that one they go there? What was that one why? She tuntum for home. Se bi beto a busa ho se adentina nipa bebre wa America na onipa tuntum ko na ya target wo mo se ye hye wo mase ye nyi wo mo free ho. What is the reason behind that? Edebain na adebadentina akosi bronia hu a enti ye wo Chinese, ye wo Indians, ye wo Arabs, into blacks eno omudo manasi so a omuko omo hweye nue ya nansen ni video etwagu said yes why bone metiase eti broni no ye kon training na ye training no wantimi ahu said even so onipa ne kwa no se o true kwa na meaning you train me how to overcome the person apra metimi achi nipa no bate oku no odi unan asi onipa ne kon so onipa ne tiam onipa ne wotiam jamio mi wo bribro wasimna eti busa ho se aya dientina onipa tumu ko na ma target omo a broni pese omo hye omo ase o waka maka se omo boa o but you see asem a eni adanse no ye twa asem no bi ye dey adanse since for the past 2 years or not 3 years sa police ni beku obi a enya Arab sa police ni beku obi a enya Indians sa police ni beku obi a enya Chinese ubekom na ye black. The question is why the question is why enipa be bentimi answer ma core platform so nipa be brain any ma de kontia etisa the why na me busa me ho say etisa okwa America na se okwa America enti yeni atuntumfo a omsumia police for America ho ana. Second question me say na me wo ensam me bisa sa okwa America kronimu a police for no go no enti tuntumfo omunimu ana black Americans and now Africans and now blacks no omunya to a police for ana yenya a police for omsu ye nipa tuntum okronimu ana. Say you will be there. I didn't know to defend for. The question is why? Say you were a policy for. Almost you black Americans. You Africans. Representing the color blacks. Now they can't do anything to prevent your people there. The question is why? Why? That is the question I would why? Say, say blacks and whites no. On my target is say, you kum black Americans. That target one say, yeah, but see you are free war. Et me busa say, et is America. Et America a policy for atuntum for ni mwana. Atuntum for omuni mwana. Me busa questions. The first question is say, I didn't know akwasiboni attack the tuntum. Yi tuntum for baku mienu miensa okunkun omo. The second question is say a policy for no ekuo no. Ye ni atuntum for amuso mo ya policy for America ho ada. Say you will be there, I didn't know almost omuntibinya bibia to provide your people. The question is why? Obusa ho sa asem we. Obusa ho sa asem we amebusa ho ne no. Your Indians, your Chinese, your Arabs. Almost say omunkofo mu de omunfo mu ho. The only people I'm target to are blacks. But what is the reason? What was that question? No, sure. Minia, me too. Amanfo for ha. Say BBC wo obusua mu a on. Wono, you have to blame your first. Me say any kind of me features me share say me see wiase no say wo mu ho a opia no obepu ho wiase we mu da. I don't care. If you don't respect yourself, no one on this earth will respect you. So you just know who obi no be bu ho da. Hwe, mama fa yenya Arab for example. Opa ma Americans no, ekata no kum one Arabs. Hwe Arab ni se kum ba ko say ya. Se kum Arab ni ba ko pay ya on. They will make sure say ba ko na wakum no times 20. Answer na wakum ba ko no mo be kum 20. So kum Arab ni ba ko pay e America. Sa ba ko pay na wakum no times 20 because sa onipa na oba revenge no oba no onim so obewu enti o make sure say obekum nipa 20 along with him. Share the whole world onipa ya omo bo upon all the race no omo boy brass because ye mu ya ho ya kai ye ni kabom. I'm telling you because Arab ni no so kum ba ko pe o ma isa kotoko no ukum apim beba. Adia me jawo onipa tuntum ho ne se adia onipa tuntum timi ye wasase we so esun ebwe wakumyo mami de bro akwasi de tuntum bra otimi ye esun ukuno na ukuna na was obesu sa a week pepe na ne rafi he asem we me ban 1 week pe eno anon case die just a week the case will just die. Sure, but Arab knew on. So couldn't nipa on. The case will never die just a week. It will take years. No man revenge it to prove to them there. To them say who can back what happen. But only patuntum the enemy ye soon. The only patuntum timi ya say me soon is yo me jare ho after a no action. Hwe say ya ko ya bebrem aya Africa kura. Hwe nsehunu a ya mampanifo omode ye de anim ya yesu o. Tuntum betime asu sa the whole day, the next day and one no wa jama nyakopon. Minua me ka sem bia kire o. Se ukọ forest ya na se jata odigu aboa so a on. Odigu aboa ne so a on. Jata no akomo na wachi abona rio. It is the up to that adwano to use its intelligence to save itself. Onyankopon biano o save nipa, I'm telling you. There is no God in the sky o save nipa. So onyame bi o sky o save nipa, anka adwano o nwura mu no. Nwura mu na jata de guru so no, eka onyankopon betimi save no, but that moment no, onyame timi save no. It is up to that adwano to use its intelligence o save no ho. Die tuntum ni mo yesu. Ene brofa kese twere. Ene brofa kese ka. No action. No action. Adia ama akosi broni. Adia ama nipa tuntum. Abubu ya pre. Ayentimi koyanim. Aya legend. Nyame baye. Nyame baye no. Nyame baye. Me say adentina. Hwe koka obi a otse Arab. Arab ni su nyakopon 24/7. But say o kana obekire wo say wakano no. Ka wakano no. Odi nyakopon ato nchan oba revenge. Na me wo Arab ni adamfu bi. O say ono to them according to their omo custom no. Say oba wo oni krom. Na ukuni mame. Na ukuni papa. Na ukuna busiafo. Na uhuni mabo na ofo ne nkrabrem. Na odi nipa ukrom. Ebe man good education. Ama na wiase japade e dan kais. E na sifo nyina wo wiase. Na later ohun se eya wo na ukun o maame kun o papa obekun bi. But oni patuntum no. Once oni patuntum, what me ama ne dan. Wo mo ni efie, wo mo na adwenedi no. Wo de wo bone bechewo. Say ampa ebi proper asebo beka ne say ebi na kabe maame ne papa tiase no ene ma pa wo de maame wo bla bom no ko mutimi fa maame entimi do bone achewo hwe menua there's nothing called boniface situation bo ha we need boniface situation bo ha any win any here revenge. Ya se to zikoko e wo bia no mu enso ejare to ni atifita je akwase tuntum je kwaku tuntum kodo tuntum kwabra tuntum timi ye yesu yetimi su ye yetimi su sa yetimi su ma hu sa anpari wasu abra ye revenge Arab ni de onima de fa no say su o de osieli funu wi a oboa sa wa tweto di pa policy ho a onim se wo be kuno but answer no be wu no se wa di nipa be 10 20 akọ wa kire wo say yes ye no ye ni abre. I'm telling you ukum Arab ni ba ko pese ya on se ukum Arab ni ba ko se ya on ba ko da wakum no times 10 and I'm say times 20 answer am what omoyem. What about the blast? The animoye Nyankopon ba ye me say so Nyankopon bi wo soro ho a o se ye fa amafa bone nche wo mo now ampa akwose broni di sane ma wo nyaye na wo de wo bone a che no wo hire mo and this God was a hypocrite. I'm telling you, we're a very hypocrite God. Tumoya demonstration. My demonstration in America, ye demonstration. Still kumo no mukumo. And he said, what do you say? Now we usually see bin and find don't check on the sound. What about trap Facebook na musu guni? Why na musu achirano? Why na musu achirano? Why na musu achirano? Your life, it is your hands. Some bet na so no makumu wako mienu miensa sana musu esu na mubesu amotra na musu. Just be there and shut up and suffer. Black Americans, I'm talking to you guys. Se broni se obekumo. Na mo dia mo se yekumba yekum yenua esu nye besu demonstration ye beya. Mo kwaso na mo nya. What is your beef here? Because I am na mama ho kwan. Adenti na mo fa sankwa asem no kwa ranfo no so. Sankwa asem no adenti na busa wo se adenti na mo timi fa kwa ranfo no so. Because Arab ni no kumba ko se ya on. Obekum 10. Baku pe bia obekum bia ye times 10 and times 20. But say ukum Arab ukum tuntumu a that is it. Eno ano no. Ukum tuntumu a eno ano no je tuntum fo bia ne se ebesu. Ebe charge ato obi me mami me papa adena ukuni ebusa questions. Me man 1 week famodin assemblance. White no omun take you serious da. Omunim se utuntum fo de aye kasa na enim ka. Hwe Adeba ko mani ditutufo say yenim kasa. There's nothing called action. What we call action, we don't know action. You know my different action. The bro to many man say me jama Yakopon. Na shadio, what jama Yakopon? Eh? What jama Yakopon? Amo Yakopon is sacrifice. Na ya cool me a. Now come so what Yakopon. Such a person, you are a fool. I'm telling you, you are a fool. So what me jama Yakopon, amampa Yakopon so store, no share. Now we say, or have it what jama Yakopon, you are such a fool. I'm telling you. I don't know for for so. I don't know for Chinese in so. I don't want to say that it is about color. No, and that color no, and that black no. It is about our character because the only thing black in Nimu soon. Me mami, me papa, ye numa esun. Enti ukwa Ghana mamua, ya wa nkrofobia, omutimi ko peni pase, me mami e papa wunti besuma ye. Ana pi kano, de yeso ya bon samjam, but broni wakum. Broni na ochira wo say, ye wo be o man bi e fa heaven. Ye wo o man bi e fa hell. Ah, obekwa no ono no onsro sa heaven to otimi twito kun free na wo to na so besu so me say omo ye program of fast Black Americans they should stop because Black Americans they enjoy it anytime brony police ni be kum tuntum na jomba say ye demonstration. What is a demonstration? Take actions. Sure, me say jata so na mram no di ku jata so a odi ku adoa so a adoa no obi anu obe save no Adoa no Onyankopon bia no save Adoa no. It is the intelligence of that Adoa so obey to the intelligence to save itself. What is that God? Say udi Onyankopon. The bro hwe enye tuntum na minim se wakuminua na di makokoto a na wotimi ha obi a okuminua no na mahage say I have forgiven you na only tuntum bi Facebook. So that is the great decision. Black, we want peace. What? You are giving them peace, but they don't want that peace. So what do I have to do? Take action. Me say enipa sa akosi broni na sa America ho no sa tuntum wo ma omso nya police fo a omso mo ye den na say de broni no ade ye unam tuntum no you people no hwe me say tuntum ho a time will come they will finish us all because tuntum I na adre say nyansa na egu ni trim no onyisu omo ba finish yan because omo hu say yan no emwo kwa ho fa so cheye Amwa o ehun fa so che blacks because tuntum de uye ni bibia the only thing a black man will say madam Yakopon fuck that God sa Yakopon na wo de man no fuck him e di kun mukuya 1 2 3 mukuya but Arab ni usu Yakopon usu nyamesen Arab ni bonfire 5 times a day but kokuna busu ni hwade me say Arab ni se okun wana times 10 and I'm times 20. Obechira wo say sa woni pa na wakum no osombo do ba ko na okun osombo maye obeyu su ne life ba ko pe no and ya make sure say answer na obekwa no obeteki enipa 10-20 with him. Mutu wa America na musu a modi ya mutra na musu. There are laws. I can be who police in your training. And ya amun say, we are police in your ubo my home by. As a police, you are there to protect the citizen. The citizens, you know. Also, you are there, sir. You are taking the life of the citizens. Now I'm saying to you people are not going to do anything about it. I'm to you. Just shut up and cry. You people are fools. I'm telling you. Sure. Some more demonstration be on. More fan cause black police for now more America. Because we are black police in America. Now you cool for now also want to share. Then you say it to me because you people should protect us. But rather no, you people are enjoying watching the white song Mukuya Meboa. Then that demonstration the now more blacks ya promise me police. Now what you and I'm yonko akoko for no kumunia. Yes, come here black police here. Come so me chitu to Bronino na so no Bronino so no ono no so why offense am so kunibi. Yes, no me so kunibi. E ba na yi na be yi edi yi madam tifie. Yes. And so tuntum nye o. Me di Yakopon. Bibia nyame. De tuntum nim de tuntum nim yi nyame. O nyame no hai. Oh, he no be sevu yan. Hwe eja to Australia. Eja to ya, eja shit forest including animals. Eyo onipa na yisu na adwene se. Emo an ho kire omo. Enti let's go yen ko eja ni mu yen save omo. Enye Yakopon. We are the gods. O kan sa se mo kire tuntumu a. Na tuntumu to and how they bonsam and how they ufu bonsam and how you antichrist. Yes, I prefer to be antichrist. Say we be try to actually me. Black Americans, shut up and suffer over there. If the only thing you can do is demonstration, just shut up and suffer. I'm about to Facebook. You don't need it. Because demonstration, my yache. Bronino wa kumni patu tu mache. Yase kwasia shia. Ya trasu bienu ala miensa. Eti muye demonstration na enfano. I still woni padu okum. The least they can do is say, ya yini ponedi. And so I take life. I take life. Unipa na wakunu no. O abusuya o. O wajere wo ma. And so speech. The whole world. Ope obi otimi man nice speech. Aya black. And obet my speech. Now bo near that last of speech, you know. Sentence of can say. Everything is God. Who told you that? Who the fuck told you, say, everything is about God? Who is that God? God, no, right? The man I no or feeling so proud. He was enjoying killing the man. So what did he go to get sin so or enjoy killing the man? Only God. Where is that God? Or did he go to you with a sip papa the console? Or enjoy so kuni paran? The least black man can do is say, we give it to God. Fuck you, black people, including myself. We are nothing. Blacks. We are very fools, I'm telling you. Fools. Yeah, Jimmy Hall said Jimmy said, yo, Jimmy Mr. Blacks. We are more than Jimmy. We are mad people. Bad people. The whole world. Omo Jimmy Paya Blacks. Like the whole world. Come here very powerful. Or me very strong. Blacks. But Argentina will be China. China for my come good. I'll go about and say, Yamam Mabina. But because I'm a crayama on it. But be ourselves be Uber Dalekano, Yama Unyale. I didn't tell you about Tuntum. As you were Americans, it was China. You were Germans, it was China. You were Indians, it was China. I didn't know what to money see blacks because we are fools. We are fools. Simple. No excuse. We are fools. Because the least we can do is say we give it to God. Fuck black people. Munsu, they will kill, they will make sure say, or man them let you tell black man sit down say, to think. Look at somebody like Mayweather. The only thing Mayweather can do is say, upon all the riches, upon all the and them are holding now, they say, Oko bank, no Oko Yisika. Mosha say mo, Oko bank, no Oko Yisika. Now the begum paso. Now the etu to home. Now okay, yes. I am a rich. Yes, I have everything. Fuck you, Mayweather. 50 Cent, South Jay-Z. Fuck all of these people. The only thing black people think is money. But they don't use here. Fuck you. They will kill all of you. One by one in America, I'm telling you. Because we are fools. You are fools. I'm telling you. I don't tell me someone can go around for so. 50 Cent. There too many money say to kake say no them. That is the only thing the black man thinks. Yes, or cars, or machines. Now omako yes, say omko sia chambi no. Now the omukom. But to use that power, the money to protect Nikwa for no there. Any to trim. Share yana yama to akosi broni omanya sika. Broni na car back up is enough. Broni o so osiso na onya car back wa tell second area be develop fort back up here. As you share, look at 50 Cent. Look at Mayweather. Look at Matt Tyson. Look at these people. Fame, power. They have this power. The only thing that is that I have money, I am rich. Fuck all those people. They are mad people. Black never use the brain. They don't think. The only thing black can do is say, I'll give it to God. How do you feel? Who feel the same? The way you see you are to form. When you're born, if it's why you're born, I was see Brony din in Kutubi. I see the console. What's it? Me call ya me ya. Me name me body didn't ya me ya. Mr. Fachame, Jamie, I'm sorry. I said, no, I will never leave you. Me now. Because o yini patuntum. O yini patuntum. Na ye kuno. Fuck this. Me say blast. Me say yes. Me say bien kuyen. Me say omo bien soon on Facebook. Next time we shouldn't cry. Let that mummy soon. Any cause you say enjoy because sad you pay your brother on the my. This is how you want it. And they give it to us. So why are you crying? Stop stop that the mono. Start demonstration to not solve the problem. Take your hands into your life. Take your life into your own hands and fight back. Fight back. Opa onkukum Arab ni nyanhwe. Hwe me do na me say Arab ni na kakwane ni sia won. And can and run and kabo say yakum police for bear 5. Yes. The Arabs, we are stronger than the Arabs. Hwe races ni na white, black, Indian, Chinese. We are the strongest. But we are but when it comes intelligence, we are the fullest. Young blacks. Yeah, Jimmy Papa. Once I me share. I will not share. On your part of black man intelligence amount. Mrs. Oko in room Aduano. Obiano Potatino. Sa Aduachi Aduano said that the goodness wa on your upon you all servuno. I am one intelligence on the servuno. I can find Adwana Jatadia Gunosono. My father said, oh, ma. Oh, Yanko Pong Crown, fan who said, Jataya, ye Gunusi, or Mantimi Proteteno. On fan who? On fan who? Now, what you want is soon I'll be soon. And I tribute. And I, the okay, tribute, no. The last tribute, yeah. Let us forgive them. Fuck you! Monsieur Tontumuni, because of the chair. I'm telling you, fuck you, blast. My Jimmy Dodo. My Jimmy. If you ask me in Canada, my Jimmy too much. Stop that religion thing. Religious thing, stop it. Brody now, the religion in my no. Oh, Kunipano found himself. You have your home to Okuno. What is that shit, God? What you want to move? And I. Fuck you, black people. Ya yale na man for share and share on Facebook me share be that me the way my go do no me so owo the last time me show my brother because me say so viso ba me se meko na man for share wakuno some black man we on call the first person yakuno akwasi broni a police phone I started to mukum Americans no and about the blacks no my 50 cents nim say what to chain 5 million let them come Jaru Johnny Muni say what talker 1 million no them Mayweather kwede wa Jimmy si obi bia Mayweather Johnny mu an say strong person what boss Johnny mu an say what talk guys that ofie na wakoyi sika that is the only thing I'm to for him no munkumu say they will kill you people because you people are fools. Yes, my Jimmy more power upon the power the money that must no move up protect him crop for adia tuntum chiri ya unity dia tuntum adia tuntum otia na ne yamu hwie ani nkabomu broni tuntum ti nkabomu a na ne yamu hwie ye miale na oyale na bro na oyale no oyale tuntum say tuntum ti say oh let us be one oh let us unite na was na be me kone the tuntum chiri unity. Look at the Arabs. Look at the Chinese, Indians, young Puamo. But why only blacks? Because we are fools. We are not deep thinkers. The broni ni mu ane say, the tuntumu ni mu ane say, mi wosika, mi wa hunyadie. Ma sem, ma tuntumu nya sika ma. Je obi di say. Robert Kelly, Obi Oda, Obi a wabonyom, Obi a otimi tonyom nipa bona ni no osu. This guy our natural voice here tonyom one no nipa ti no osu. No hwe bia wote. We are fools here. Me say me share bi da. Na me say me sa me say yankum sa mu de yankum omu wi amusa fa to Africa no mu kunkun because hey you need politicians in that we don't think we are all fools, we don't think. Don't think. Ana ya. Usu nyame usu nyame se Arab ni. Arab need in the board 5 times a day. And so kuninia ubi. I'm telling you. Omono sadi ne fani boni facha they don't have it. I say omo revenge. Now you know no. Na ho todo won bi ota. Say bro, rest well. You have yakoto kwana ma. Eti omo nko asasem no mo fa nko. Etwe edie masem na tuntumute. Aka oponsika yawo. Your ponsika yawo. Hwa uba Europe a. Hwa akwasi boni tuntumu bobo kwa na efe nadre. Broni ni tuntumu bobo no. Hwa baritari ba ayiba wia. Otonyom obobo ni atukodu bon so ya de. Because ade for the unity black no yempa. O can you question unia no na say o ya antichrist. Shall me say if I have the opportunity to be a president of Ghana, me say me within just a week and confirm who have me do me to me bomb to pepe me come. Nature can do whatever to me because they don't think. Unia all kind of crash unia tuntum. All kind of crow. Actually research. And who said no? And the colony no. Now unia tuntum no do what them. Shan kwasi video bi a Facebook wa me nua raskota share say akwa bi say can say Moshe a ka say don't Williams no ya hwan. Shan me say me if I have all the things these people I will just eliminate them because omo man ya problem yen koso. I will just shoot them papa because they are fools. Oh yes. What is happening? But someone find me internet ni bonani. Ya nyene ya trini nye. Na musu. Te muni mwani esu broni de broni se ukuni nua onsu. Ah mi kwa mi hu se broni su da o. Odi su ya dai. What trase na wa hwe ade na kuni nua no wasia no kwan se o kena bia bi si biam broni no se ye kuni nua ana ye ni bibi wu a obetrase asset intelligence ada set up se ade de kun ye nua no o kena bia si biam aso the only thing tuntumba ye esun ye pursue too much esun solve problem. Sometimes you need to talk action and then demonstration. Sometimes you say kum tuntum for America nyane. My demonstration say and solve problem na and do the one Jimmy. We are kwasi yourself problem no ye kum demonstration still ye kum ye and can't you take another action? And the demonstration corner the only solution. Fuck black people. Fuck my people. Fuck. About tribute to much akrowe. Oh, you share to oh, he was a nice man. Oh, no, don't nipa hair. My work said, fuck you, black people. Do something. Take your destiny to your hands and do something. Actions. Share the nanado ne Mahama Umuya Ghana. Share the Omudia. Share the Omoye. Ya betrayed you swa. Ya kasa down. No action. No action. Na omo fire fala. Na omo ma enjoy. Mahamati hoyi. Nema omo ni problem o. Mahamati wo ni money problem. Ha school stand time omo si Ghana no. Ni money kobi. Sa hospital funa omo si say so money kobi. The same as the Nado. Instead of us to take action, tuntumumpe, the tuntumumpe can say, I almost say, I retort Unyame, it be be man yakopon. Unyame be training publica, Onyakopon be and Tony Pabiaka, Onyame ni yobe mo Tony Paka. Saunya did some fun, chance and some fun already. Take action. I'm telling you, Unya did some fucking and some fun already. Sharp blacks me say who ye nyansa on sa adwene when ye nwisu am say we will continue to be slave till that kingdom come because I seem say Yeah, enjoy sir. Yes, slave. Since they be masters. We enjoy being slave than say be masters. So sad. Mo share munyai akonya kuna yonko. Omo to omo ye the America omo to ye de. Hwe kwa America no hwe powerful. America I blacks no omo ye. They have money. Blacks no money. This word, if you have money, you have power. This word, if you have cash, you have power. Power on them there. The least they can do is to buy cars. Akwasi broni wo sika kra onya car ba ko price enough. Tuntumu ni musician timi tana mutimi okọ Jay-Z ne lenwe mo ne sa 50 cent mo eni pa ba ko pa wo car ba 10. Cars 10. Mansions or New York, California, Arizona, baby, or dying. Fuck black people. We don't use them. And that, what is the power? Our power within, or no, maybe or no. They will we are mad people. Man, I will never share this. I need no. Me obi one me areho. Me obi Uwa me enyama wure hokitikiti say ana mane so nye. Yes, because owo normal 10 na wote ho na e de wo sika edwa nanka now so you are okay because of heaven, because of hell, you know. So obi kuma me kwa na wo de manyankopon a you are more than the word a fool. I'm telling you. Shan kwasi accept the whole world. Ope omo di abro. Omo pray wicked like the Western world. Ki leopard of Belgium. This or hineno. Onipa okumu Congo. Say according to their own documentary, they say are uncountable. Today look at Belgium, one of the richest country. So the question is, where is that God? So nyami wo hosoro wa otwe onipa ka. Onyabi wo soro a odi atemomo onipa se udi bonya obama no me aba so a enti the Western world mi kuda kopon no otimi ma no me ma omo so. Wasa ma omo di eso. Brother, take your life with your own hands and do something. There's no God to help you. There's no God in the sky to help you. Oh, abla bona obon wankasa no yo nyankopon. You need to use this. I don't know what Ademu ko school. Ya try say the head is used to carry one load. Carry load. Answer say because a no yere no kindergarten ya try say the head no is used to carry load. Enti tuntum ni mu say trewe no ade atimidi ya yere be so ade. Enti ampa yadi aso de ama yeti no adwene no amim kom yadi tumu ya aso ne ama sama adwene na amim kom dimenyusu na sofu kwasi ampani bi. At times I don't like insulting, but at times allow me. Sir, Abraham de Moshe Argentina attack Yohan Duncan Williams na papa no wa bobra obra boy no de den tuntumu ni mu se wa bobra because of oneska sani sikana wonya no impact by the people around him, the society now want impact by now or the impact by Duncan Williams or Kais Besa Papa kana kasa no boko Kais Besa 7 impact by and then just Oscar impact by no impact kwake was sit down kakaka what wo afa ho na why say e challenge no she onyankopon no kwa see e challenge na Duncan Williams on kwa de osua ya dwenye ti wa the video Emma Duncan Williams who say yes, this is my truly servant. This is my truly servant. It you know I mean no. Messi Americans, no, you people should do something. Blacks, do something. Unya sikanya cast that's how to talk. Unya sikanya dying that's how to talk. Money is power. I was as you so. Once you have the money, no, money who say yes, I have power. 50 cent or cars 10. Mansions and Marbury. Chain. The minimum chain. And 50 cent Jay-Z, Jaru mo, come kabom. No more famous because they are rich. Yakum black, yakum yen tuntum for yakum ya. We don't have solution. The only solution is demonstration. Is demonstration. Still, the problem is not solved. So, if the problem is not solved, what again? We need to take action. Take action. Monsieur Omo Pamu Kuma Arabuni. They dare not some Omo attack Arabuni. Because Arabuni no, Ukumu one. Yes, Omo Mama is Kotokono, Ukuma Prima Primbeba. You kill one, they will take away 10 and 20. Blacks, why? What is wrong with us? And then the higher in blacks. Utwana usuwana usu actually no. Onyakopo bia. So onyakopo bu ho yesutsena. Yesutsena onyakopo nyane. Since left time they stood for onyakopo. In our lifetime, entire lifetime, you should start to Nakupon, sir. Oh, Nakupon, on fear. Namin fear you. And you can't take an action. And then action is like, do something. Burning all your wine. Hey, Americans, you know, soldiers, you are black soldiers. You are black police. Marine for you are black woman. Take action and prevent yourself. Motora musu is you. Omo bia shai sadia no. Because we are fools. We are fools. Ade bia mutu anamumu. Na me adwo bia me na no pa because na tuntum broni no oka. Oka. Ana yekumu sa. I can't do guys do anything. Because who say me to who say me that America me to Germany and so catch me say in Yekuya sir. We are right. We are right. At times, you know, empire bomb me say empire bomb contribute to anything in your life. Be plain where friend empire bomb contribute to your life. At times take action. Share enwram ho kra no. Emra bi me share video bi zebra. Jatanachi abobaku they gang up. Omo gangi up say no. And omo first Jatano to prevent themselves obokumu ninuano. And they were able to rescue that omunuano. What are you guys doing? Esun na musu. Mu de esun kwa ti say mu de bomb no esun kwa. Ademu mbrebu mu onya Bible de bremu no. Yese bonsam no ya black. Bonsam nya planting the black. Na obi ya yankasa no ya je esun a esun no say obonsam na yankasa no enipa tuntuma ya je tum no komunkum say omekumo. Na mo she aba na on light mo a mo pese mo ku boy na ni mo asekeke mo pese mo ku mo she ni mo asekeke onipa hu aye research abe catch onwa tuntum a onipa tuntum na kasa na be gang up say obeyi onipa na mase yemu na senuam hwe Kwame Nkrumah ene broni na be ku no do broni na trans na plan batuntum ne ku wo Thomas Sankara Brony Bekuno. Brony na plan ya tuntumu na plan trust na plan omkuno. We are sick people. Mesi ba mo share. Omakuno omkuno because hey me man 1 week. Asem way just a week. Hey tuntum ajeba ko say asem ba ni ehuru yegukuru ko say a week ni ajato eno an ye be fi. We be fi fala. Ya yale adwene ya yale wom. Ya adwene no yale wom. Minua okuminua na mehwere ekwa afasa okuminua na nya mesimi bekum bia so nyakopon kwa etua meka nyakopon kwa na o problem okuminua na mahwehwem sabenua no ebewrobo ana o prevent na okunu dia famody we are right but se mehwehwem na mehu se ekwa na afasa okuminua no we are mesimi bekum bi ana na dia so nyakopon so betua meka nyakopon o problem. Yes, and now you can. Tampulika, we are cowards. Eche, any Kotiani for Dientino, yes, row, and what to many slow was the papa. Minia, one moon who rescue one moon who appear obebu. One moon who appear obebu. I can ask some yaka, your Arabs were America, your Indians were America, your Chinese were America. There were all kind of race in America. And then quantity no money. Uber is the police near Kumobia ya black. Uber kum. I can say Uber is the Obia kum Obia. Police near Kumobia. Elko Chinese ni. Uber Indian ni. Uber Arab ni black. Why can't you guys? I mean, do something. Namunya is soon and with Facebook Gramusuno. Share omonko home tuntum for Jimmy ya Jimmy demonstration na no moye no omonko duru shop bi omko duru ye no omo bu shop ne na ko wi shop ho ne mari nyina hwe these people broni nim sak ngo for ma Jimmy ya Jimmy o demonstration na moye no omonko duru shop no ma bu shop na ni akosi tuntum no omo bu shop na ni abowra shop no awi enti Unya wood a form. Oh, yeah, demonstration said. Abane ba asibeteno. Uko duru shop wa bush shop nani. Ayo TV sine sa nyama honya. And ya Jimmy. The only thing black guys will be to think your property. Ahunya de. Yes, ahunya de good. But think of your life. Ubanya ahunya de na o life no and you secured that. Ahunya de I want to know what now the demonstration could do baby no bush shop nani. No more really my whole shop one you know. Are you guys serious? Minya, you guys should stop selling that akwani wono. Now I'm doing it. I'm doing it. Stop selling that video. Me. Ukwa was I want me day because Jano Broni him say I doing it. Se ukum Arab ni na wan kuru kwapaswa obeteki 10 omonya from a demonstration no akọ anipa no so onua no oba police station wa onim se ba na oba ho no no obewu enti ono no bomb na hye ne ho no wa prepare se oba revenge ama ni nua no ama ni nua na nya gbebeda nti so o police station wa omia bomb no so a se police for base 20 moko they don't fear death omun so wo death. Look at our life. Tuntum ya dream ya hwe unya bi kwanya chance ababrochire. Abanya brochire nkata nya opportunity. Instead say ka unya no opportunity na wanya no obeba fie na ko obefa obi anane wo fase bi anane nua bi na onkomo build abusia no ono ko pese wo top na ke ni masa oh yes sir masa oh masa me horo kama oh horo mami oh bra chale me pase me be se wo dem oh okay mate oh umparo de bron tuntum tuano no o pese de be wo top na onua no ya dwene nya mama mu nkuyan ni enye allow the white to kill us because we are sick in the mind obiati be to kwa ba brochire ni nua wa ha ni wa fate ha ni wa fa ni wa opportunity ni nua no opportunity to lift the person up on fino na police ni ache no akuna ubesu you are a coward you are a joke ya dwene nye the whole world omo ma dwene ya blast adwene we no ye mfa nya adwuma I'm telling you mema hu including me black ya black ana minya po kana black is black Ajab tuntum pa yen kabo mu ya say e be kan ho abomu ya mpe ya dwene nyo ya dwene nya hwe kwa police ni ade yenwa yi faso o pacha wo se me kon ya me ya me hunam na ya me ya me sraw jame ma me shole was it now makes me feel what could so painful them. The least the black community can do is yeah demonstration so yeah so no you go through baby shop you bush shop we are fools bro we are fools omo bush shop we on nyina TV cars I can say benefit omunya omuano no benefit omunya omuano say ya bush shop we on nyama na me nwa broni nku akosi broni nya sika onya ne dan baako onya ne car baako ohia maid ohia gardener ohia airen akwa bia na brabom de ohia ya ne se ne yere ene ne ma me fiewura metimi fiewura wo sika o and so kɔ na yere garden mu am sama ya ba mitimi kɔ hɔ na yere no wɔyɛ adwuma obi o sika no oni made aso tuntum nya sika ope made ope gardener even ope driver no watu no if you plan a driver na timi atwi ni dra koduru adwuma mu no tuntum no yɛ expect say na driver ni ba be gate ja man say oga sifam tieni o tuntum nya sika no ope made ope gardener ope driver no atimi atwi ni car no dra koduru na adwuma mama no o expect say the same driver no be gate ja man no aka say oga sifam let this guys this why kill us because we are fools. Simple. Don't reason. We have the power, but always we are busy the power. We are fools. Simple. I don't care. Me drop bro 2 years na who have Africa a problem. Many more for them so far who a problem no. Africa yenye. Cause me shako si bro ni nyama. Sha opa ma black cops na mo America no kum white back up e bo hu bi o idini be gina ye be kuni bi ye be kuni pay ye quiet re be court akọ judge ne say right brain na wo me say opa ma let omo attempt it o ho na be hu say ye Jimmy papa me to sabi ye Jimmy na kanyan kwasasam na tuntumu da obi di say John Domiro mu fa say akwada oye fom no John Domiro so ahwan oni point mi awia abanka wa wia abanka o wa wia or even a hot tax na ya sa Andisi force akoto aba man say bestade ya MP a home plan kan Andisi for wa papa can disqualify no say masa won qualify o mine no nam say onipa na wo kro no mu no ya nwene adwuwe ni ye nyusu me say ta ko don we betimi aya ba ye president of Ghana abra ni na shasia ne bon kankan no ye betimi na president. We are mad people mo nkuya simple omo obi ansu mo nya shara mo share no din sai sia ne pe ya brabo no de pe ne nya no de pe na ni de tuntum hia wona brabo me nya kopon hwe ya kase Christianity nye ya si Islam nye the least tuntum ni bebu say okay say Christosomo nya na kremosomo nya dia nyame ba ni yansomo no chese tuntum ti wiase we no ontimi nya bibi abra won nya bibi ni ai ya yale o tuntum ni trase no ontimi tran wiase nyusu na adwene no tuntum ni mu say onyakopa bode awie ene wa ba adwene atomu na adwene no ene ya unyankopon na so wudi obi bia no enti o ka che tuntum se Christianity nye kremosomo nya no o sa busa se okay se enya nyame ba ni ansomo no akosi do ti eto no nyame ba no osomo no eto utimi trust ni so adwene utimi say your adwene eya your power tuntum ni mo enti nyame ese enti papa se ye nyane ko dia bosumachi adent obusa because na adwene na ono trawiase no your power in Yakopon. We are lazy. Obi o ye nyame bia no we lazy. We are too lazy people in nature. I'm telling you. Enti dem bia no ye pe nyame bi onipa bia o ye mfonso no re hye bonsam bia no o ye lazy. O ye lazy. Tempia no pe nyame bia so. Emi nyame be na me koso mo no. Enti en koso ma boso. Eto omo ne yakun Facebook eto pa say nyame som de ye need ena nkramo so ye need 90 yanka abosom fie yanka se kosom bosom tran wiase we mu no won ka sa no ye nyankopon o system no building in such a way say enyema pa wo hia nyina obetima yusu wadwen de ya afa kwapaso de nya etutuntum mpe ena ye hwan yankosom no. We are lazy people minua munya sa video na mo share on Facebook no na mo ta Americans no empusu amo Adentia. Adena Yakoponya tutumu biem. We are the strongest of all the race. Yene the strongest. Ya one thing. Yale we see, yale we duru ye. Africans, yale we bless yale ntimi nkunya mo. Because natural no ya dwane ye di ne natural food. We eat natural food. The artificial food o. No physical no ya one thing. Hwe mi so ubeko school hwade bi o ubeko school from Monday to Friday. Wako school na wapon oba. What find the siwuti. What consume crema. And so that woko no e be say wudi free akọ he. What wie no what say drive for so dia wo. Saturday na obejo home no what say kwa fuom afo no wakodo. Okodo e no so no obo ne atwa jaso physically we are strong. As tuntum si ampe. Na mo share kwa no research. Na o kasa patche wa. Mu down and some funa mu di teni passe oya roba. Oya roba. Minia me say enyedin yedin. Mumu kunyan. Ye pen yenya no because ye pen kabo mu wa wabusu na wutimu no enkabo mu nim. Wo fa bia betina brochiri. Onua bia betina brochiri. What one ho insel say onua no wo fa no enka wonim kwan a obefa so akobe boaro so omoa opese ono ye boosu na wo hye na se na tambia no ye ne yes amasa. We are mad people. The only thing black people think here asole. We serve this God 24/7 but still we are down. Into one minute. Na wo makuyan am share Facebook mo share ne den. Omukuyan ya dwene ye na ka ye wo black Americans a omuso mu ya police for na se unya white Americans no omunya blacks no omu ko mu a ela muso start kum white ni bi it is a black police na mo say also the pay na muso makum bi. Yes, tit for tat is never a sin. What kum na muso okumi nu ala muso mi what is wrong but unim tuntum no nyame nti ye jabi be ma nyakopon nyame de hwe udi nyame ye de o se kan edwa nanka onyame wo soro ha obo nipa ni nyakopon kan tirim odem papa se onyame bi wo soro ho a obo ye pa na o ampa wono why say CCTV camera no hwe yen ana o man blacks e so fa say dia ene kan tirim odem pa o sanya mu we secretary court na ke jeli no because what me mfa tuntum fon kwantun tankruam China for hotomo India se for okay Arab so okay broni okay tuntum oko China even Chinese krampo no antima kekiye nyoma mo to na bonte se mama babi na omo se mama bi mu anwale Mufam who can kind of hosa, Yamma Granny Neo Chinese. I remember me me 85. The Kai those days as a Chinese. Now we are the poorest, one of the poorest country. Send China for nya Christopher. China for nya Christ Cremofor. Now ometime a developer betru say. Na Ghana for mo koko bobosia. Shame on you guys. China for etimi control word. Etimi kasa blacks, we don't need you people here. Now you were once richer than this Chinese. No more do baby, more do ya. Blacks. Mo munkuya mate. Mo yamre was no munkuya. Because tuntumu nya na adwenso obesane so bai. Tuntumu nya na adwenso obesu ya de. Mo dem sramo. Omukuya ya, ese ko makuya no. Omukuya no a na ka ya damase boss boss na nka ya atamfuni akosie because ya jimi komukuya mo bo to pay sida akoye akwani ye ya okuya nwi na ka okuno enko kuni wi a na ka seletu no boss ya damase nye ka tamfuni akosie because ya dwene nye sa Indonesia for etimi bagana beto abeo etimi di abane ko mu krom enya benefit of abade siso mu krom na sete wa na de enimo aye se ye de twa be eni twanza akokono eni domo na entimi nya benefit bia ehye wutimi se momo yan chese no mu nkunyen enua me de me se me obi wa nya me awerho me wutimi se mawu a ma wure nho I am not because ya Jimmy naturally we are fools. Because we don't like what we call action. Fools. We are fools. Hey, oko sanko for program so na mo for dinatel. Share only part to Africa. Kasa defend foreign religion say yes it is the best and ade onyankopon dia mayen. Na ye na hu ye na munya ne de e ye bonsama de. Now we are awfully so proud. We are so happy sir. Or defend at the obi oya Arab ni na mamere. What me say? Wa ubesun bia we hypocrite. Mamunsu. Obey the amuti Facebook. Hwe de omudi ye eta ko se broni ko nim have yan ko ba chira. Se broni pa de omusi de ye asasi kankan we. Asasi we prampa we di na hwe no wawu. Asasi we ya yale gwam ni kwasi asam kwa na wote no prabo no. Hwe de omudi ye na broni nim heaven. Na wa be chew tuntum se tuntum we heaven e wo ha enti ye papa ni en ko yin en ah my God, we are fools. Simple, we are fools. Let us admit say you're fools. We are fools. We are completely fools. America for saying let's make white great again. Indeed, omoye. Asasi we suna kwasi asem wo so. Asasi we na te say enyema papa bia ni asasi we su no hwede omode yeyen hwede omode yeyen menua na broni no se owo me me do tuntumfo menua momla ye wo ba bia da che ye beko e ho no gold wo ho e ho no dwani bia opane dia maw na tuntum na won pe wase mu tuntum asasi we su no na wasa kire heaven kwan na wo sa ko heaven na wo sa na ko sia ho ebe yi ah, minuanom brass. Minuanom. Arewo. At times, I don't person about Facebook because we are so far. So when lie to your people, your own people, telling them the truth, say this is the truth. No, you are so boy, watch me. Oh, can you crowd me? Say somebody who catch the winning. I had the crap and who come to me say yes. Why your research? One who said this is the truth to do so Jimmy. To do percent, I said, or ya know the two am buy money room near Chuka do tomb. Ah, Minia, ya Jimmy, meant to Sabio, ya Jimmy Confle. Jimmy, young Jimmy Pane boy at home because of religion, God, family. Ha, me say, ye be see no. Ye be share nice tribute. We say almost say areto wo Yakopon. Good. Eno an famudin. Yeti areto mo Yakopon sa so still ya ho kire ya. Minu ho an yembre mo no. Why pan yembre mo no? Stop being hypocrite. Jai suna uti Facebook na usu no. Akware ho no ya no ya ho. Because you see, there are so many ways to kill a cat. You hear demonstration and fancy. Can't you do another 10? Ah, when you are munyai, yale. I dream yale and you will be. Shaqua ye, I was see Bunya first o kumye. O kumye nianom. O mu from Mako. Shall police need to me control Bo America can say. Are you aware that you are killing the blacks? Feeling so proud. And indeed, they're killing us. To me catch up to them. Are you aware, sir? You blacks are free ho. Video that clear evidence. Because indeed, from the above, authority no. If you see, we are mad people. We are mad. Ya yale. Ya yankasana yale ni yale. Adreno ye nyusu. Yeti ho ni nyame eni nyame beye eni bibe nyame asem ena tuntum kwa ni mu se wada kwa na wonya na nyame bi na bi nyane wo adan me se woti wiase na mu ho a obia na obebu se Americans no so omon start se omsum kunkum Arab for no America ho komo bete pa me se me dia me nko Indians me nko Chinese se omo se omo twa boss omo hwa o de omo ten omo kakra na omo start say omo kuma Arabs no you better say police nya kuma obi ya black you better say police ni bia bobi to ya black Arab for omo to ya den Indians no omo to ya den Chinese for omo to ya den why only black? Simple because we are fools period my sense we are fools me nya sure say onyame na obo broni no na boy yen me sa research na say me nya very convinced say is the same god na boy yen no sha obinim o si bempa hwan obofo hwe nsem hunu be mutimidi obinim timi ka kire tuntum timi da tuntum anim say me obofo me say no me be free obofo ti bi ma be nyankopon na onipa tuntum ti ho na obone nsem na o jedi na o de ne rashe mu a menua ese ye makosi boni bedi eso ye no ye se boni ti eso mesra mu menua mo ma boni ni eso na o tuntum ti ho obi a watime ko university onima kenkan wa bod degree o ho doctor lawyer na o to no wa ji obi ni madi a menua ye nyimi ye chimi sa ono no o ya obofo ono no otimi bowla hunhum Eco bank ko wesika otimi bowla hunhum eye nyema ope na yeti ho na wotma bodigri bodigri pa na woti ho na obi a wan ko school da hwade bi o obi a wan timi an ko school da anima make say wan ko school wajimi na wasay o but hwe obi nim ti say obi nim o atwa ko oni ma atwa kenkan ko oni ma kenkan na wotimi eka sase mo de kira obi a ko university da na wogi ni dia menua o de mo ntwere ma me wa ye den o de mo ntwere ma me o hwa ye den sase mo ye den ye fools yanwene adweno etam adweno broni ayusu na adwena ma adwena e asa but ye de netam yanisu na obinim hwe obinim ma e de yan hu say fam wa ye say tam hwe e ma wo yiwo mu wotimi di oba na the next day what asole tem na oblage emle bi kwara nko hwe say obetu mi betu o na mo so obofo mentu ha manua me mesra mo mamrafo no kunkum ye mesra mo de mo ntiase na mo kunkum ye na ya jimi asem we see ye Africa ni president be na what be na notum they dare not omunya president they dare not why president be na America or Africa be na notum because omuno to obedient ye timi take bold decision ye president na ko mo ye bold a mutimi confront mrofo no yakun mu nyina afri ho kuno mu kun mu so no eyen blacks na no mu yusu yan ene di kun mu na afri ho menua we are sick people menua una fufu bedi ya jimi simple ya jimi to understand say ya no ya defend obi culture till we are here obi culture no yet ho akan bible mo kan say Quran e defend it I catch the yen and I say, Yen and no me by four. Nan no me a Jimmy for no moon mushe. Bosom no almost someone or young quasia sam, no more ye. Now Arrow for it dear, and no Nakopo see a some Christianity, fat do plug black pepper, Momo Kuyen. Ah, my. Ayo, Momo Kuyen. Minya, at me cat myself repeat. Adwa se wotimura mu ho na data de gunu so a onyankopon bia no okosevu adwa no na me bia ni mura mu okosevu no e bia sa adwa no kra no wo ye kra week enti wagya ne man ho ena okwa kopa adwani adidi akse de be ya obenya nufu suo de ma ne ma okọ ni training no ko hia jata di ku ni su onwura mu ho onya my no Onyankopon no mutie no msa repeat o sa do na o nwura mu ho no o nwura mu ho na jata ade agu ne so no ebe na wawo foforo enti wo se me ko akopa adwane di na manya nufu nusuo ade ama me ma because aboa so akra so a ontimi nidi enti wo ko nwura mu na jata so kom de no ane wo hu ado na odi gu ne so wo nwura mu ho onyankopon ntimi ancheke hu se ado na jata ne da gu ne so no ayesa ne mani didi ne mani tino ayesa me save no na me an save na ma jata che no we na so to na wo say unipa you are depending on God or you are a fool simple a big fool. You are very, very big fool. I'm very, very, very. I was some. And was some point to many with you. Shall to many what come your numiansa, Nina Mocheno, and can what tongue kind, back on a crampon if I'm one in the was all done. Or what to kai better 8 Near will be on what will be. Neman shada in or send the money in your between. As you need me on any free, your fruit back by you as no channel. Ne what fast ya, Sabi Mamma water was I see so than what channel. To winning to car back or crampon conference so no fasty and an Indians or so tongue. Timmy and one channel, we are fools. Allow them to kill us because we are refusing to think. I dream in a Najuma. Abraham emotion was a dream in a Najuma. Body in the bread. It is a body in your bra, Mr. Femodin, and more Biancasa. Because we are sick people. Jale for some shame yamwa, and to know, maybe it's a party, men co party. Sour more party, birthday, and I say foreign sour most men. So when me real life found, Uber say, me penny papa. But me who are dead, me see me better 2 years for the moon, black the problem. Because me who are dead to me one I am fair. Our brony one I am fair. Hi, brony. Say brony what 2 cars ya. Na I will bisano. I what reason papa to 2 cars. Brony, I was say brony to count for more life. Brony to count for more life. Black man talk out about life. Brony, me say, madam fi boy funny Andy. Brony abruwa bia na okoko boano. Brony ni huye. Ana ese ne madam la. Brony ni wodan wo japade ne man so obi ampe. Adamo nya wo so mompe, ale nja obi awobi. Edina se aban no bam na adan no befa dan no ne japade na oton. Ewiase Ghana for sabi kuraba na wo papa no mame woda kwa ne etimi kum nipa wo. Kuraba. Ah, to do for your yale. Kuraba o. Common kuraba. Unkuko bo chale wate ni ekum nipa wa ho. Now cause brony kum wa to Facebook na usu. We are mad people, allow them to kill us. Allow them to kill us. Ya tunenye. Hwe sa sofu bi na onam Ghana ya se fe no Kofi Odo no ye tie no. Emre bi me call live video no kan sem bi. Samai no sekam authority ke me bon to me kuno. Wasi okokro bi si ko preach ye. Tieni o okokro bi si ko preach ye. Okokro no enso bi da ho a. Enso na wo bi dem. Eti wo no otimi free adi awia. Na wako didi no aba. Okọ na wako didi no aba. Eti ekromofo no se eye enso no na esole. Enti papa no bompa ese awurade. Mame abo wen trashe mame mehyiemu. Na me nkunu na me fa ne ntre kromofo no se sa ye wonyame bia osombo se sa nyame no mugye ne yo enti ebra bi ne se wo no pie ye ana mpa otra ne hye no ba be bia papa ne wo ana ye fra ne se papa wo no ba ha wo so omunku no Kofi Odo na o se yo Nyankopon nipa no enti mi ma o ta mi yakum wo no because ye did say wo ye bosom wo no pia on kan nipa o onam krom wawani nipa tra na wahu se we onipa no opie kokodidi na waba o wokọ no akodidi no aba because opia ohun nipa onka obia okoni nwram no ho no sabeda ni nsomu no kromofo ni hu se oya bosom no Kofi Odo na wo ye tie no or dan in crop me kum wo no because mugidi say wo no ye bosom. Not this man was so proud to say I killed the snake to prove to the society say there is no one living God. Fuck you Kofi Odo. Uma me twa kra what it? Fuck you. O kum wo no like that. Ya dwene nye me say me president Kofi Odom na kebebo mtu oga omu na se man koma mdo mtu je life na omu prison na ye hihiri ekuro because omadwene nye me say onipa bia o friend ho sofo bia oni nipa papa onipa bia o wasase we so I was so friend ho sofo bia no adwempone woni tirim nyame adwuma ne say o ka che obi say on such na bone ho ene say nyina no ene say ke nyane ye nyame ene say nyane ye sofo nti komo we are mad people Kofi Odo kun wo no so sad wo no onim say aboa so oni nipa tena obaye oni paradamfo opia onka nipa ohun say wom de min yam no na wo fredi na okwa kodidi oni nipa fadamfo ohun nipa onka nipa o na okodidi no ba na o traba o shema wo kun wo no because kromofo no nim say oye bosom ye nsuo no oye ni nyasa kromofo no na oni pep to na mo body say oh praise the Lord Jesus oh God fuck you Omo munkuyen ya adwene nye na obi a wan ko school that making kind bible mu kire wo ko university degree na utwa tight ma no oto wo fe ma no na wama sofo no hwe Africa sofo omo ni ka o omo cars yo omo ni mansion o omo mansions the damn we are man me famu si aminu ya no dia me buy life am say America no owo no omomu nsun mu ma yam fa yen because ye no ye sa ne se nya ye ho because say Arabs for okronum Indians go for okronum Chinese for okronum na American for nim fa akumakunkum ni kom so no mo di face blacks a e de bad ne ba wadwenem me nua think bi adwenem e de ne ba wadwenem because mo say yagimi and indeed we are fools because 50 cent osika Mayweather osika Jay-Z yesi wodru billions Lewin ono so nam ho Black powers ni na no mo to no do mu ni mu aye ma do mu ni mu aye wi do mu ni mu aye ai chance akase do mu ni mu aye mansions do mu ni mu aye cars now they can use their power to face the whiter ya kuni pa mi mesu kama jimi me madi fo wi me be kwa djuma kra me dimi fo wi me be kwa djuma de almost onko ya fus sa ko ya Snoop Doggy Dogg why no fia oto mu dia no take ya hwe to mu ti kronum no mu take ya hwe na mbesu mensu ate we are fools simple etimi baba ti say ye wo Black Americans almost omo ya police fo a ya mom ho kwaso me police fo a ene se kokofo ni kum tuntum a ene muso mu kum white ne na pay na so ta ho tit for tat is never a sin but tuntum no onye adentia nyaminti o nyame beye aroto nyina onyankopon mu de mu mienya bibia mu onyankopon hwe nyame minia medi musia de aka me kan se wo twiase a wo ho twadwene pa ma wadwe wani nya sharp onyame bia ne yimo de bone che onipa o de bone che je wa fom no na kone che ko fa ne bone che ba ne ko pa obonim ne ka che so me pa chew so obi to no okum nua na wonim se me nua onipa no onim se wa kun nua no na wa kun nua pa so a kerubi sa obi kun nua now timu say agena nipa ni ye no wa ni ya kuni bi ala boni na ka metu me tia sa Americans mutu Black Americans mu osikana samfuna mudi wa America ho Black Americans mutu na Jay-Z na kwasi asamu ne cars ni sikani chase akese Mayweather kwede se wajimi sakwade wajimi otimi ko bank hwade o ko bank na wakoyi sika na ora bagu ne mpaso na wode etu ato ho na chase gold chase we yekun amasa mini ayeden yekun aden na moto mu Africa na musu do te hwa obi amko demonstration o Mugo ye demonstration ko do shop wa mabu shop na nya ko shop ho nyema nyina na broni hwe wo unyimi ye what Jimmy broni wa ye demonstration e revenge ma unia na ko do shop wa mabu shop na nya ko wie ne fini forget ye ya Jimmy black Americans no me fools I'm telling you. Oh, Africa today, different a few more. Because these guys no more papa. Me say the upper young Americans, blacks in the moon. They are rich. They are very rich people, I'm telling you. But in Kwasia, some corner mutono moody. Because some corner moon come on to for. Sa broni extra so bokum Arab niya. I didn't know also so kum Arab ni. Because Arab ni no me say so kum ba ko pe obokum 20 obokum 20 but tuntumu dia okunu a odebe Nyankopon me say opa kum Arab me tra Arab krom da but omo a Jacob mo no omo free Libya ba omo say basa Arab ni yasi so obi ko kum obi abusia ba ko kum abusia ya wo mo de mo ma tra on say me bo am yasi say abusia ba ko kum abusia ni bi foforo a yasi ya wo sa a police for nuru ho anko mo a ese ye war that is omo no omo bomb pie 20 omo bomb pie 5 times a day Arabs know na moto na musu na wo kuna wi amoto musu we are fools they are fooling over there omo ka bomb they should unite and fight the white supremacy na moto na mu nda mu sem funa moto na mu di no anya na start say ekum nipa o the place police na kum nipa be tuntum the pia you better say why akwase broni abo bi tompia ye tuntum what are you guys doing over there soon na tuntum ni musu so soon ma the tuntum timi yan kwa yesu no action aden esa ya bre minia ya o sa wotia kwantu emu na mo hu nyansa me se de ko tran Nyankopon chakura hu nyansa da sa woti krowe mu na wo hu nyansa wotu kwan na nyansa wonim nyansa me se opa Nyankopon na ese obo so basase ne ye fa ne ko tasire hu nyansa because wagimi abob wagimi ni wagimi plus ye gimi ntimu nya ne omu kunkun yen nia ye gimi opa mayamopo yamopo say o ye ko revenge tuntumu ba ko be pia ko kache broni se egofo so mbekum all because of me say so Nyankopon bo so kwa mane ngo but Onyankopon no se akwose broni di nsem hu owes no mo hire ma mo so yanhwi adrensi yifanye ye bi adana mo yesa Facebook na mo share no mo nya sa kwa picture no mo nya share and video bia yesi the girlfriend no on the otreye let us forgive him. That is the only thing I can do. Let us forgive him. Fuck you. The girlfriend no. Kwasi asa what me try to say. I didn't say okum nipa say a police formula we say was ofudi for. And the only thing I say let us forgive him. Fuck that bitch. Or a bitch. Onipa ntimi ni nasi enipa na kon ho. O se me kon ya me ya. Me hunam na me ya me sra ojame. Ma me sole. The guy was enjoying doing the thing. Oh, the least black man can say, let us forgive them. Black. I'm telling you, men kesemo, but I'm telling you, say, so we ni patuntum no wan nyansa ho. Aboa emo kwa betimi asola bedi eso blacks. Yano aboa opa majatan jata emo na onwura no monkamom. Omo betimi asola bedi blacks so. Because omo ba ebeka say o mu kunkekra munya because tuntum ni say o work for heaven. Tuntum no ona ju say o work for heaven ti aboa no omo betimi organize omo ho. Na omo ba Africa omo ba betimi be die so konkaye adie so ye be omo wasa because ya adwene nye. Yamado I'm telling you boldly say we are sick in the mind. It's more ten papa tuntum for. It's more ten rough. Shede ko so Facebook obetimi de necessity bo se me bring way down na ka yenimu a Obi evidence. So what mean nipa na ko nipa no evidence ya? You are basing on that evidence just to destroy the person. Ha! Na bronya kuwa. Me nua mo me nya ni mu kuyan. Misra mo me mu kuyan. Ha, akwa kumwe no. Ese ke man 5 kan ko kun mu nya saka ho because we are mad people. We are sick. We are sick. How mu kuyan get me ya yesu. Yebesu boy a week, a whole week and one no. Omo pa on fan Arab for no so America won hwade. Me say black white no omo so mo ye bold a. Omo de omo fa san kwasa sam no Arabs no so. Omo fa nko omo so because Arab ni no. Omo no omo ni bone fa che o. Arab ni. Me say me try Arab for me ne Arab ni because I was say. Sa oba mi krom. Na oba mi krom na mi swa. Ukumi maame, ekumi papa kuma busuafo. Na hu mi mobo na wo tame. Now di me ko na o ma me wiase tapade nyina o ma me sika wo wiase nyina o ma me ahoto wo wiase nyina na me hu se una okumi ma me papa meku bi am say wow was yes but ntum no meka se e bia na me ma me papa e ko mo prampo ko mo tiase a e ka tapade we hwa mo de o do meka ni e bia na me ma me papa so ko mo tiase a ajapade we nyanka minya anka sika we nyanka minya esinya hwe magya mo nyame you are a fool. You said that person, you are a big fool. Take action. Sometimes action speaks louder than words. Actions speaks louder than words. Take action. And yes, them nyane se usu. And yet debia na se ujana obobna. JPP mo nipa ni hu se wani abre. Why your demonstration 1, demonstration 2, demonstration 3. Na still o mu ku a. E de mo da so ye demonstration no. Ah blacks. Me say e mo bia nsu. Samu mo share ni na mo nya book na mo share na ye blacks na gasa ya dwene ne ye no ye ho ye tan ye ho ye pese mu kuminya ye se ye yitwa ye nanti ya dwene ne adwene na yakopon de man na mintimi hu se tuntum no adwene wo sha wo de man na se anipa na mo se fe no bonsam na obayi free mu na wo de fofo share mu se minim se adwene ye mo adwene se medwo ho a se ye nso na ye wo ye digu ye trimu no na hipa ya adwene medwo ho ka mentiase na ka black Americans. You people were born together with the whites. You were together with the whites. You go to school with the whites. You eat with the whites. You pray with the white. Everything with the white. And you can imagine what I say. Your papa say monastery. My Jimmy, I am with them. My Jimmy. Masa mamba musiani anyuni aho. Omo biansu. So I'm to America. I want to say, don't make my demonstration say. Omo koko wiane. Omo koko wiane. Me di mu basi am bye bye.